Get ready for ABC Adventure Quest, where every letter brings a surprise.
Hello, kids! Today we're learning the letters M, N, and O. Are you ready for the adventure? Let's go!
Letter M, come along with me. Is it elephant? Is it monkey? Or is it banana? Think which one is. It's monkey. M for monkey. We found it, hooray! Letter N, come along with me. Is it nest? Is it bird, a hut, or is it tree? Think, which one is? It's nest. N for nest. We found it, hooray! Letter O, come along with me.
Is it orange? Is it mango? Or is it apple?
Think, which one is? Oh, it's orange! O for orange! We found it, hooray! Well, today we learned MMO, and tomorrow PQR will try. Get ready for ABC Adventure Quest, where every letter brings a surprise.